Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by checking your credit and picking a card that matches your goal: rewards, low interest, or a 0% intro offer. Apply with accurate details: SSN, income, monthly housing cost, because errors slow approval. Once approved, activate the card and add it to your mobile wallet for quick use. Make sure to record the card number and issuer contact in a secure place so you can act fast if something changes or a charge looks wrong. You should use the card intentionally. Pick 1 or 2 recurring payments to build a history without overspending. Track utilization, credit used divided by limit, and keep it below 30%, closer to 10% when possible, because lower utilization improves your score. Once done, set auto-pay for the statement balance or for a small buffer above minimum to avoid late fees. Also, regularly review monthly statements and flag unfamiliar charges. You want to pay the statement balance in full each month when possible. This avoids interest and maximizes rewards value. Once comfortable, optimize redemptions, cash back, travel points, or statement credits, based on which gives more value for your habits. Make sure to enable merchant and transaction alerts and enroll in issuer protections like purchase dispute coverage. If something goes wrong, immediately freeze the card and contact the issuer. File a dispute and monitor your credit report for related activity as your key.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.